cleaning can be really fun when we clean with music. We wrote a song called Let's Clean. We also put a link in the description about how you can take a picture of a stuffed animal or a baby doll and you can make them talk, and you can encourage your kids to listen to their stuffed animals, and you can make your stuffed animal say something like, "Hey, it's time to clean. I love a clean house," or "I want to clean with you." This way your child doesn't feel all alone when they're cleaning. You ready to go? Let's clean!
Come dream with me tonight.
You know what my favorite thing to do is?
What, Teddy?
We can play a game called Who Can Clean Up the Fastest? You ready? On your mark, get set, go! Let's clean! Ah ha ha ha!
I love Daddy. I love this car. I love Daddy. I love Kitty.
I want to live in a pretty world with you. With you. But to have a pretty world, we have to clean, you see. You see.
This is a
so
dirty
come and
one.
clean with me. Oh, come and clean with me. Good job. And shiny. Yeah.
My name is Taylor every day.
I want to live in a pretty world with you. With you.
And
To have a pretty world, we have to clean, you see. You see. So come and clean with me. Oh, come and clean with me.
Hello, Bible.
In the trees. Can't clean the trees. The bathroom, the hallway, the floor, the ceiling, the window.
Let's clean up our shoes. Let's clean up our socks. Let's clean up this bed and
What's in this right here?
rocks. Let's clean up the bathtub. Let's clean up the sink. Let's clean up you and me. Clean.
Baby dolls and stuffed animals can help us clean too.
Yeah.
We can clean with bubbles. We can clean the
Just
hallway.
clean.
We can clean the kitchen. We can clean our hands and the bathroom
And the room
and the
too.
frontboard and the backboard.
Just clean.
And our cat ice cream can help us clean too. Daddy, are you helping? Mommy? No. Yes.
Just clean.
We're gonna clean everything and make it so shiny
Hello,
and beautiful.
bye-bye.
Together.